Brother. No vaccine on control stick, very fearful.
He's not scared no more. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? Well, let me take off my glasses. They're getting wet. Come here. Let me see your squishies. Come here. I know. What about this, buddy? What happened to your nose, honey? Hmm? What happened to your nose? Look at how pretty his ears are. Oh, look at that face. What did you find? Did someone leave you cookies before me? He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Hey, come here. Smile. Oh, there's a pretty smile. I love it. Yes. What about your buddy? Can he show me a pretty smile? Huh? Come here. Good boy. Love your squishies. They're so sweet. Yeah, come here. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Look at that pretty face. Okay, I gotta go, okay? Let me take your picture real quick.